everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do my own toner and tone my brassy brown hair. I'm going to use Manic Panic Shocking Blue. It's a dark blue, almost purple. You can use whatever blue you want. I don't remember the name, but it was like a blue green. So you can use whatever blue of Manic Panic you have. You have to mix it with some conditioner. I'm using Tresemme. Again, you can use whatever conditioner you want. Just make sure it's white. You're gonna need some glove, something to mix it, and a teaspoon, and of course a brush to mix it and to put it on your hair. You don't have to have a brush if you prefer to just go with your hands. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna put I'm just gonna open it because I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna put a lot of conditioner. So I'm gonna wash my hair. I like to do my toner before I wash my hair. You can put it after the shampoo, but I like to put some conditioner before I wash my hair so my hair is not like too dry, if that makes sense. So I think that's gonna be enough. Like I fill it to the 200 mark there. So now I'm gonna put my glove. You're gonna need a teaspoon of the Manic Panic. So it's better to start with not too much and then add more, but because I know my hair usually need like a teaspoon, but if you have less hair and less conditioner than me, you don't need as much of a Manic Panic. So I'm gonna mix this and make sure it's all in there. So I just want to show you, it's gonna be better like this. So I make sure I have everything inside. Now I'm gonna mix everything. So make sure you really mix everything and there's like no white conditioner anymore. If you feel like you need more Manic Panic, you can just add it, but usually this color, it's perfect to tone my brassy brown hair. Now I'm gonna show you my hair before. As you can see, it's really brassy. It's like orange and a little bit of red because I put like 2 box dye on my hair, I think 3 months ago already, and the color it's fading. It was like 28 days, no, 28 washes color, but this is my before. So I'm gonna apply it to my hair and I'm gonna keep it for 5 to 7 minutes, not more, because I did a test and more than 7 minutes usually my hair start to turn like the color blue, green or purple. But since my hair is not as light, I don't think like if I leave it for 7 minutes it's gonna turn blue. But I'm not gonna take chance. I'm just gonna leave it for like 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna just put it all over my hair. I don't really part my hair to do that. I just put it on top, especially because this is the hair that I see the most when I do my hair. Sometimes what I do is I just do a bunch of toner, put it in the bottle like this, and just use it every time I wash my hair. So I can already see that it's toning my hair. I don't know if you can see it, but this part it's already like more tone. And what I do, I like just put my hair and make sure I don't waste any product. I'm gonna keep it for 7 minutes. It's 2, so at 2:07 I'm gonna rinse it. I was filming another video at the same time, but this is my hair after I wash it. As you can see, it's not as brassy. It's really like a natural brown. And this is my hair once it was dry. I was outside, so this is really the real color. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you try this toner, comment down below if it works for you. Thank you for watching. Bonne journée.